Hello to everyone, my name is Matteo Lanetti and I'm co-founder of Wenda, and we deliver food integrity tracking solution enabled by IoT and blockchain technology. Why we do that? Because every year 200 billion of euros of food are wasted by an inefficient distribution. The truth is that the food do not keep its integrity, quality, shelf life, and even worse, safety on its way to the consumer, affecting obviously the work of all the food chain. And we also have to take into consideration, for example, regulations of governments, for example, HACCP for the cold chain maintaining. So, seeing that problem, teaming up with high-skilled co-founders, we created our IoT solutions and blockchain solution for food integrity tracking. Very simple, one little IoT device which is put inside the box, the pallet, the container. It depends on the granularity you want to achieve, to monitor the key parameters for food integrity: temperature, humidity, shock, light, overturning of the product, and so on. Everything is analyzed and processed by our devices, delivering both, together with the platform, alarms, so you can know how much time the product has been stressed. So, for example, Nestlé said to us, "Hey, I would like to pass from a first in, first out logic of the warehouse to the first expired, first out, because it is not said that the product must be thrown away just because it had a bit stressed, but it means just that it has a shorter shelf life, for example." Our potential is witnessed by the market. If we see traceability, we see retailers that are investing in technologies like, for example, Walmart or Carrefour or many others. And if you see an abundant perspective of the IoT into the logistic and the pharma market, we see a lot of investments and spending into the cold chain. We are not alone in the market, but we position ourselves thanks to our proprietary technologies and high-skilled team delivering IoT connection into integrated and fully customizable systems with a lot of parameters monitored and fine analytics, so fine data quality. So not only a graph of temperature, but a whole system of parameters monitored, analyzed for you for informed decision making. Everything is executed by our fantastic team, which is made up of 5 full-time equivalent, experienced in management, entrepreneurship, and technology, with more than 25 years working with large corporations, having, for example, big retailers as clients. We have 3 industrial investors, 1 SME and 1 business angel, and 3 advisors in fundraising, sales, and the food sector. We are not alone. We are partner of big food ecosystems. Just yesterday we won a prize for traceability and safety of food by the Future Food Institute. We are partnering, for example, with Vodafone team and others, telco companies, for real-time IoT connection worldwide connected. We are part of an Internet of Food 2020, which is a stream of the Horizon 2020 program of the European Union. We have been accelerating and won some startup prizes. We raised 400k investments, which allowed us to go through the research, prototype, first industrialization and first sales part, but we are looking for 800k investments also in different rounds to grow internationally in sales and industrialize more the product. Why we need that? Because our revenue model is based on selling a fee per pallet, basically because we monitor the logistic unit, and plus services with that kind of margin, expecting at 2020 more than 1 million in revenue, with a direct and indirect sales strategy, both in Italy. We are closing agreement here in Italy with distributors, and also abroad. I will go to Hong Kong and Australia at the end of May, to look for international distributors to better penetrate the market. And for our investors, we see our technology to be licensed or our company to be sold to food corporate VCs, logistics companies, insurance company, and cold chain solution providers, because we enable them to create new business model for the food chain for their clients. We are partnering, for example, with an insurance company to provide like black box of the food logistics. So last question, I finished my time. Would you spend very few money to save tons of food, so ethic, and a lot of money ensuring a better food chain. Thank you.
Thank you, Mattia.